8 minus 8 equals 0. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present. We also have a multiplication operator present here. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we need to solve this multiplication first. 8 times 8, that gives us 64. Our expression becomes 8 minus 64 minus 8. Now we have two subtraction operators present. According to the rules, we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this subtraction first, because that's on the left side. So 8 minus 64, that gives us negative 56. Our expression becomes negative 56 minus 8. And when we solve it, we get negative 64, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.